So, me and Nath, this is Nath,
G'day.
my housemate, watching the surfing, and I'm going through some footage from Oman. I found just a session where me, Dre, and John Cahill, we swam out to this little bommy that was just like probably 100 meters out, just with the light tackle. Every cast we're hooking fish constantly. There's a whole heap of footage here I'm gonna go through, and I'm gonna make a little... Wilco's getting bad. I'm gonna make a little clip for YouTube, for my Johnny Brooks Fishing YouTube, and hopefully it's semi good. There's a couple of cool little fish, like hits every cast. You're getting like 10 hits, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah. We're going to swim from here to there for some reason. Can you even swim? Can you? Yeah. Brooksy.
That's really annoying.
Get your rod out. Your reel just went in, JC. JC's reels going in the drink. Big bully. Brooksy on the bottom. Big boy! I bet our big GT will come past when we got light gear. Man! Ow! Ah. That thing's gonna need some attention. On the tip. Out to there, eh? Look at that washy zone on there. We come this far. Huh? First cast on the tip. Whee! What a sick fish. Woo! They're all over it. Hit it. Haven't had a hit for the last 10 seconds. Something. Oh! 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 Fuck! Fuck! Only 2 hits that cast. Oh! There's a hit. Oh, and again. Oh! Oh! Fuck! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, what's this thing? What are you? What are you? Look at this thing! The fuck are you? Oh, you alright? Are you okay? You lose your sunnies? What a fish! Are you alright? I went from there this way, but it might be easy just to swim in. You cut yourself. I went that way, but the waves were gnarly. Maybe go this way. Might be better to go this way and just swim in. Fuck, are you seeing this fish? Yeah, just go in, go in. Yeah. Go with it.
That is a fucking cool fish. 2 fish here.
Yeah.
Wow.
You alright?
Yeah.
You lost your sunny.
Just still on sunny. I don't even know what that is.
Me neither. I caught one last time.
Yeah?
Like just over there. Swim, mate. I just stopped it and he smashed it. Look at my hooks. Man, I thought you were fucking stuck or something in there then. I was like, no! Double! Woo-hoo-hoo! Things you don't expect to see when in the middle of the fucking nowhere in Oman.
Fucking black hawk.
Woo-hoo! Do you remember this? I bet your big GT will come past when we got light gear. Well, yeah. What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, look, he's going in. He's going right in. Oh, yeah. Trey! Big! I'm going in. Yeah. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna get spooled! Gone! Fuck! Fuck! He was big! He was really big, man. 30 something? I can't believe it lasted that long. Fuck, man. Well, there you go. That's just that little session. I got a few more clips I'll probably make from that Oman trip. Just little bits of footage here and there. This day was pretty classic. Light gear, fish every cast. I'd love some of that right now. I'm on a bloody shocking streak. But yeah, sorry JC. Pretty classic. And sorry for the swearing. But what can you do? See you next time. And subscribe, please.